bad diet, I'm bored, I'm driving in a hurricane. What is there to do? Let's talk about the new platform that will solve all of these challenges. Maybe not the hurricane. However, it will solve the overweight, it'll help solve the bad diet, and it will help solve the boredom. And that solution is Apple Fitness Plus, coming soon by the end of 2020. Very excited about this. It's affordable. It's just a great solution with a broad range of very intriguing course content with Apple certified fitness trainers, which is going to be very exciting to learn and know more about them. So let's go ahead and jump into this deep dive review of Apple Fitness Plus, coming soon to an iPhone, an iPad, and an Apple TV near you.
Awesome news coming out of the virtual fitness world, with Apple announcing Apple Fitness Plus coming to an iPhone near you, and the list goes on. More places to experience fitness than ever before. I'd pull out the iPad, but it's not near me at this moment. So in any case, this is very big news. First of all, let's just talk for a second about what is virtual fitness. Some of you may wonder. This is from lifespan.org. Let's look at the definition. Virtual exercise involves the use of technology to combine workouts and virtual reality. In other words, you can have the feel of being in a class with an instructor from the comfort of your own home. Many individuals have barriers to exercise, such as lack of time, well, I fit into that, lack of interest, loss of motivation, or even fear. That's all true. Guided exercise using technology can now help individuals break those common barriers and not only exercise, but do so more efficiently. So, really tremendous that Apple is getting into the virtual fitness space. A lot of companies are entering that space. Some have been there for a while, but as so many of us around the world have various Apple products, this sure is incredibly convenient. Apple announced they will have their own team of trainers, certified trainers that will work at Apple and provide this new training platform that is coming very soon. So let's just take a quick look at this, and we'll go through and discuss in a little more detail. So as you know, I'm on apple.com. So first of all, let's look at the pricing. So $9.99 US dollars per month, or $79.99 per year. Current Apple Watch owners get 1 month free, and this is the cool thing. This is actually really big news. Share with 5 other family members. Wow. Okay, so sharing with 5 other family members, that's actually really big. That drives down the cost immensely, and I assume family members means those that are close friends that you consider part of your family. I think that's a pretty loose definition, as it has been historically with Apple products and the various sharing options for subscriptions. So really a great price point. Buy an Apple Watch, get 3 months on us is the promo here. So if you already have an Apple Watch, you get 1 month. If you buy a new watch, you get 3 months. Apple Fitness Plus is included for 3 months when you buy an Apple Watch. And of course, you can click on Notify Me to be among the first to know. So what does this all do? First of all, as we consider virtual fitness options, not only now, but in the past and in the future, a lot of us are busy, some of us busy working, running businesses, going to school, daily routine, and it's not always easy to get to a gym. So even if you have a gym membership, how often do you really go now, before, and will you go in the future? So it's a great opportunity to supplement your workouts with home-based workouts. Now, you may be curious, as I have been, how much should you really exercise on an ongoing basis? So according to the American Medical Association, this is on the AMA website, let's take a look. So as far as being more physically active, every healthy adult 18 to 65 years of age needs at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic physical activity 5 days per week, or 20 minutes of vigorous intensity aerobic physical activity 3 days a week. So that's a minimum, 20 minutes 3 days a week, or 30 minutes of more moderate level 5 days a week. So you can go super intense less days, less intense more days. So in any case, that is pretty consistent, and depending on the intensity, now it is important. This is talking about healthy adults, 18 to 65 years of age, any medical conditions. You should, of course, consult your physician first. So quite a bit of exercise, so great supplement. And as you can see, the various devices that this will work on, as far as Apple Fitness Plus, iPhones, iPad, iWatch, etc., and even Apple TV, which is very, very cool. And I want to focus a bit on Apple TV because this allows you to run this virtual fitness through your home television, your sound system, and you can actually have your own really private fitness arena in your own home very affordably, which we'll jump into in just a minute. So going down the list here, of course, if you're wearing your iWatch, you'll be able to track heart rate and calories, and with the new iWatch, there's some additional features such as your blood oxygen level as well. Okay, so let's continue to scroll through and look at some of the top features. So there's going to be really a variety of content, and that's what Apple has promised, and we're looking forward to that, which will be motivational. Look at this. This looks just awesome. So a little healthy competition. When you want it, the burn bar is there for an added push. A glance reveals how you measure up against other people who have done the workout before. It's more fuel for your fire. So that's very cool, being able to look at the burn bar. So the burn bar shows you where you stand in relation to others, and in this particular case, you're ahead of the pack, which is where you'd like to be. I'm not sure if it tells you if you're at the back of the pack, but in any case, you want to strive for the front. Yoga, cool. And exercise and simplicity. So Apple Fitness Plus makes it easy for everyone to get the best workout on iPhone, iPad, or Apple TV. There's even a program for beginners. A few taps let you put your body through exactly what you have in mind. So check this out. Treadmill walk, high intensity interval training, hit, treadmill run, rowing, dance, cycling, yoga, core, which is fantastic for everyone. I know I need more of that. Strength and mindful cool down. So the most popular workouts, burn with the churn. So this is an example of an at-home workout. So you may have some equipment, you may not. In the park with a mat, on your carpet, on your hardwood floor. If you're fortunate enough to have a treadmill at home, there's just a lot of options here where you select the courses and then the programs and platforms that you prefer. And if you look into yoga, for example, you can choose your trainer, which is very cool, choose the amount of time, choose the music. I mean, this looks really awesome. And I think the great thing is so many people are so loyal to their Apple products and use them so often for everything from social media to working to entertainment, communications, that adding fitness to the devices is just, it makes really fitness more accessible to the masses, and it does so affordably. And you can spend less time searching, more time sweating. That's a great promise there. So let's just scroll down, look a little bit more at some of the trainers whose photos are not showing up at this particular moment. Maybe they're not being shown on purpose and they'll be added later. Or maybe these are actually members competing. Not exactly sure. So this gives you a little preview. Let's go, choose your music, and there we go with the pricing. So compatibility-wise, Apple Fitness Plus requires Apple Watch Series 3 or later, with watchOS 7 or later, and one of the following Apple devices: iPhone 6s or later with iOS 14 or later, iPad with iPad OS 14 or later, or Apple TV with TV OS 14 or later. Hopefully this will work for those of us running beta as well. Now, let's talk a little bit about how to equip your home affordably with the basics that you'll need if you'd like to be able to do this in the privacy of your own home. So let's take a look at, as far as accessories to equip your home or wherever you'd like to work out, possibly your office, in anticipation of Apple Fitness Plus. Let's go ahead and take a look. Well, first you're going to need a fitness mat. There's just no way around that. You can do it depending on if you're doing yoga, for example, or if you have a great carpet, if you don't mind being completely covered in sweat and rolling around your carpet. which you may mind. So it's great to have a good mat, and there's certainly on Amazon. There are other places to shop as well, obviously, that come to mind, but Amazon, for many countries around the world, easy access to high quality and affordable different style of exercise equipment, and specifically mats, in many cases with free shipping. Now, I would definitely suggest a mat. Another thing that's quite essential would be and again, I'm experiencing typing challenges, a medicine ball. This is just a great addition to any workout, and Amazon Basics has some affordable options, and also a lot of other great options for medicine balls, for example. But if you were just to type into Amazon fitness equipment, let's say for home workouts, there we go, it pops up already, and there's quite a bit of various types of accessories and equipment that you can order through Amazon affordably, often with very quick delivery times and very affordable shipping. And there are nice kits that come with an assortment of accessories. So really there's an affordable way to equip yourself based on Apple Fitness Plus coming soon. You can pre-order and be all ready when it lands, and not only sign up but have your own gym. You don't need weight and cardio equipment to do this, which is really great. You can actually do this simply with a great mat, possibly a medicine ball. Some other TRX, for example, is a great brand for resistance training, which you can do. It's like giant rubber bands that you can stretch and pull in different ways. But this would allow you to have your own kind of home fitness area. If you can imagine having that mat somewhere near your television running Apple TV or your iPad, for example, you can do this in quite a small space if needed. And if you're fortunate to have a larger space, or if you'd like to do it in a park or at the beach or wherever you feel comfortable, you can certainly fit that in. Please take a moment to click subscribe and the bell and all for notifications. Thank you very much for joining this episode, and I look forward to Apple Fitness Plus coming soon, and I'm sure you'll be excited as well when it lands in the very near future. And everyone's going to get, if you have an Apple Watch, at least 1 free month, and if you buy a new one, 3 free months to give this a try. And of course you can add your whole family as well, up to 5 people. That may not be your whole family, it could be family and friends. In any case, it's affordable, it's accessible, it's coming soon. Thank you for joining. Wish you the best.